In today's video, we will share with you an extraordinary project by Ibrahim Traoré that has captured the world's attention. Few could have imagined that Africa's vast lands and its millions of sheep could form the foundation of an industry powerful enough to transform not only Burkina Faso, but the entire region's economy. This remarkable vision of Traoré goes far beyond simply shearing wool. His mission is to build a new economic force by using nature's resources and livestock in a way that empowers the nation. From raising sheep to ensuring their health, from shearing and cleaning the wool to processing, dyeing, weaving, and producing finished goods, every stage has been brought under a single organized system. Here's the astonishing part. A single sheep can produce up to 8 kilograms of wool per year. Now imagine the wealth that emerges when millions of sheep are nurtured under one coordinated plan. That wool is no longer just raw material. It becomes a treasure as valuable as gold. Through this project, Traoré is positioning Burkina Faso as a rising star in the global textile industry. But his vision isn't just about economics. He believes any industry must be rooted in the land itself. That is why his first step was to restore the grazing fields of Burkina Faso, ensuring sheep had open pastures, fresh grass, and a natural environment. To support this, he launched government-backed grazing projects where millions of sheep roam freely. Farmers are instructed to provide grain and fodder at different times of the year so the animals remain strong and healthy. Modern shelters have also been built to protect them from harsh rains and extreme heat. The most fascinating scene arrives in spring, lambing season. Traoré formed special teams to care for newborn lambs, ensuring their natural bond with mothers remains intact. As research shows, lambs recognize and thrive on tea. Hear mother's voice. In this way, the project values not just production, but life itself. Training camps were also set up across villages to teach farmers proper animal care, from clean water access to seasonal protection. In short, Traoré hasn't only created a wool industry, he has built a friendly, safe ecosystem where animals thrive and production grows naturally. Experts now call it Africa's largest eco-friendly livestock policy. The health of sheep is at the core of this mission. Veterinary teams regularly inspect animals, trim their hooves, and prevent infections, especially during the wet season. Mass vaccination programs protect millions of sheep from disease, while deworming ensures their digestion remains strong. Even modern sprays and medicines are used to keep parasites from hiding in the wool. But the revolution doesn't stop there. Wool shearing has been systematized with strict schedules to ensure animals remain comfortable in the summer heat. Traoré also invested in modern equipment and trained workers to shear efficiently and safely without harming the sheep. Once wool is collected, the next stage begins, cleaning and sorting. Processing plants have been built across major cities where raw wool is washed with warm water and light detergents, a process known as scouring. Then it is sorted into categories: fine wool for premium clothing, thicker fibers for blankets and carpets. Nothing goes to waste. Even dirt and grass are reused as fertilizer, while wool scraps are turned into other industrial products. This has turned the wool sector into a zero-waste industry. The results are astonishing. Burkina Faso is no longer just producing wool. It is producing world-class material that meets international standards, creating millions of dollars in exports. Traoré's vision teaches us a powerful lesson. When leadership is sincere and intention is pure, even the simplest resources can fuel progress and prosperity. So viewers, you've now seen how Ibrahim Traoré has transformed something as ordinary as sheep's wool into an economic revolution. placing Burkina Faso on the global industrial map. If you enjoyed this glimpse into Traoré's groundbreaking project, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. And let us know in the comments, what do you think will be Ibrahim Traoré's next big move?